The next two charts show another phenomenon found at fib levels before and after a confirmation triangle. This is the presence of price breakouts, price breakthroughs, and gaps running through fib levels. All this just means price rapidly moves through a fib level with higher volume and a larger price move. The vast majority of the time, this is the case. But nothing is ever a complete guarantee, and there are exceptions. The small areas marked in yellow demonstrate this. These are areas where price passes a fib level without significant increases in price movement or volume. This is less common, but it does happen occasionally. In the case of charts without volume, such as certain currencies or commodities, this phenomenon is still observable. However, volume will of course not be present. Only large price movements through fib levels will be visible. Here is another example. Forex charts especially don't often have gaps, and the large price movements will often be shown with large candles. Then these next two charts will show price breaking through a critical level. In this case, it is around the 21 to 22 range. That can be identified by different fibs. You can draw your fib from any point as long as it meets the criteria for the confirmation triangle. We can also see the characteristics of price breaking through a fib level discussed earlier. Price movement through the 0.236 fib level doesn't increase significantly, but there are volume spikes.